I created this insane video with just 8 GB VRAM on my laptop. Now everyone can create this kind of video easily with a one-click install. In this video, I will show you how to download easily and how to use it. Even without coding skills or a monster GPU, you also can do this easily. So let's begin our tutorial. First, you need to download Pinokio. I will put the download link in the description. The installation is super easy. Just follow the steps on the official website. I've already made a detailed tutorial in my first video, so you can check that out. Let's start by opening Pinokio. Click the Discover button. Go inside WAN 2.1 program to install it. In this tutorial, we need to using WAN 2.1 14B model with Lora. The first time using Pinokio, you need to download the requirement package. Then it will install automatically. Installation may take a while. After complete, press the start to get inside the interface. Follow my cursor to select the model. There are two models we can choose. If you have high VRAM, choose the 720p model. If not, choose 480p, just like me. Then we need to download Lora. We can check the download progress in the Terminal tab. After finish the installation, we can start to use now. Select the Lora and press Apply Lora preset. Upload image and input the prompt. Subject means the main creature in the image, such as a man, a woman, or a cat. The subject that you input will replace subject in the prompt below. And don't modify prompt below. Select the resolution. The higher resolution consumes more VRAM. Choose based on your situation. For the parameters setting, I recommend 25 step. Based on my experience, I don't suggest you modify the default advanced settings. Let's start to generate video. The first time using it, the model will download automatically. Installation may take a while. After installation complete, the generation will start. If you encounter an error about insufficient VRAM, same with what I am facing now, go Configuration tab and get inside the Performance tab. Change the profile according to the provided information. I only have 8 GB VRAM, so I select the profile 5, press Apply Change, and we can continue our generation. We also can check the generation progress and terminal. After a while, the video is generated. When you're reaching this step, you already download and generate video successfully. Congratulations! There are also many amazing Lora. You can give them a try. That's it for this video on the Easy Open Source channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like more step-by-step guides like this one. This channel is all about helping you get started with powerful and free open source tools using simple and clear methods. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.